If you're gearing up for a cruise, this video is for you. In the beginning, most people do not have the right idea. So in the light of experience today, we're revealing 15 must-have items that will elevate your cruising experience. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or a first-timer, these tips will ensure smooth cruising. Let's get into it. First is packing cubes. It's a game changer for organization. It helps you categorize your clothing into neat compartments like daywear, swimwear, and evening outfits. Plus, packing cubes compress your clothes to save space in your suitcase, and unpacking is as simple as transferring cubes to drawers. This cruise hack ensures you stay organized throughout your trip and more time to relax. Number 2. Cruise luggage tags. Paper luggage tags can tear easily during transit. Upgrade to durable plastic tag holders that are reusable and secure. These holders are tailor-made for cruise tags and protect your travel information from water damage or accidental loss. Just attach them to your bags and you're ready to go. A must-have for any cruise packing list. Number 3. Portable fan. Cruise cabins often lack proper ventilation, especially in warmer climates. A compact portable fan not only keeps you cool, but also provides white noise to help you sleep better. Choose a USB-powered option for portability and convenience. You'll thank yourself on those warm nights. Number 4. Magnetic hooks. Cruise cabin walls are metal, which means magnetic hooks can create extra hanging space. You can use them for hats, jackets, swimsuits, or even to hang a lightweight bag. These hooks are small but mighty, adding an unexpected touch of practicality to your room. One of the smartest cruise hacks for optimizing your cabin space. Number 5. Waterproof phone case. Whether you're lounging poolside or snorkeling at a beach, a waterproof foam case ensures your device stays dry. Many models also allow you to use your phone's camera underwater, letting you capture stunning marine life without worry. Don't forget to take this essential item in your next excursions. Number 6. Power bank. Long days of exploring ports and participating in onboard activities can drain your devices. A reliable power bank ensures your smartphone, camera, or tablet stays charged throughout the day, so you never miss a photo opportunity or important notification. A small investment for a big convenience. Number 7. Insulated reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated while reducing waste by bringing an insulated reusable water bottle. Many cruise ships have refill stations, so you can keep your drink cool while being eco-friendly. It's an essential for staying refreshed during excursions and onboard activities. Number 8. Personal snorkel gear. If you're stopping at ports with snorkeling opportunities, having your own gear is both economical and hygienic. Bringing your own snorkel gear ensures a better fit, cleanliness, and the freedom to explore underwater wonders at your own pace. A smart choice for adventure seekers. Number 9. Sand-resistant beach blanket. Replace bulky towels with a compact, sand-resistant beach blanket. Lightweight and easy to pack, it provides a clean spot to relax by the beach or pool. Perfect for sunbathing, picnics, or simply enjoying your surroundings in comfort. Number 10. Cruise lanyard for stateroom key. Your stateroom key card is crucial for accessing your cabin and making purchases aboard the ship. Using a lanyard keeps it easily accessible and minimizes the risk of losing it. Choose a design that's both comfortable and cruise-themed to add a playful element. Number 11. Travel laundry detergent packets. Longer cruises often call for freshening up your wardrobe. Travel-friendly detergent packets or sheets allow you to wash clothes in your cabin sink or use onboard laundry facilities. Save space in your luggage by packing fewer items. Number 12. Motion sickness remedies. Even experienced cruisers can feel queasy during rough seas. Ginger candies, acupressure wristbands, and over-the-counter medications can alleviate symptoms and keep your vacation enjoyable. It's better to be prepared than to miss out on activities. Number 13. Waterproof dry bag. Protect your belongings during water-based excursions with a waterproof dry bag. It's perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, or beach outings, keeping your phone, wallet, and towels safe and dry. A reliable companion for adventure days. Number 14. Eco-friendly reusable straws. Many cruise lines have switched to paper straws, which can disintegrate in drinks. Carrying reusable straws made of silicone, metal, or bamboo ensures a better sipping experience and supports sustainability. A small change with big impact. Finally, number 15. Compact first aid kit. Accidents happen even on vacation. A well-stocked, compact first aid kit is essential for any cruise. Include items such as adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, motion sickness patches, tweezers, and aloe vera gel for minor burns. It's invaluable for addressing small emergencies like cuts, scrapes, or headaches. Additionally, having a travel-specific first aid kit means you won't have to rely on finding these items at an onboard shop or during port stops. Being prepared not only provides peace of mind, but also allows you to enjoy your vacation to the fullest without unnecessary interruptions. And that's our list of 15 cruise must-haves. We'd love to hear from you. What are your must-haves for your next cruise excursions, and did we miss anything? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips from Beyond the Map. Happy cruising!